Hey everybody, welcome to the AI Guide, where we're making AI human by focusing on the human impact of this technology. So we have a great episode today focused on answering a key question about AI and other technologies that are going to change the world very shortly. And that question is, how good are humans at perceiving exponential technologies and the change that they suggest is going to happen? The answer is not very good at all. And that includes even the experts who work in AI day to day. Let's give you an example and then talk about a complementary technology also using AI, the combination of which is going to radically change transportation. So there's a lot of videos online about AI now, right? And a lot of them are wrong, to tell you the truth. I've seen a bunch of videos recently saying that autonomous driving is still years away, and these are very recent. And I have been consistently saying that those are wrong. And the reason why is because of this poor ability of humans to perceive the change that exponential technologies cause. So let's get to that example. Zoox claims its first with purpose-built robotaxi operation on Nevada public roads. So Zoox, that's zoox, revealed today that it is deployed with passengers in Nevada, which the company says is the first time a fully driverless, purpose-built robotaxi has operated autonomously on the public roads in the state of Nevada since June 16th. So this is new. The robotaxi that operates with no steering wheel and no pedals has been autonomously carrying company employees in Las Vegas. This marks another big step toward commercial launch following the first public road deployment of the robotaxi in Foster City, California in February. Now, this is different than Waymo, which has been running a robotaxi in Phoenix for a while and now San Francisco, in two important respects. One is that Waymo's robotaxis have had humans behind the wheel just in case. There's no possibility to do that in this vehicle because it has no steering wheel, no pedals, nothing. And the second is that unlike other robotaxis, there's no one sitting in a control room watching these zoox vehicles ready to intervene if something happens. These are truly autonomous vehicles. So the company completed testing and received authorization from the Nevada Department of Motor Vehicles to test autonomous robotaxis on public roads statewide. So this is one of the gating factors to autonomous vehicles, right? Is regulatory approval. And this type of blanket regulatory approval for a company in a state changes the game. The robotaxi will start operating on a 1 mile loop around its Las Vegas headquarters, navigating several unprotected turns and multi-way stops on busy public roads with cyclists, pedestrians, and cars. So this is a completely real application of a completely autonomous vehicle. Speeds up to 35 miles per hour. The Zoox perception system provides a 360-degree field of view to see and hear equally in all directions. Zoox says they seek the most accurate understanding of the world around the vehicle possible. We rely on redundant sensors to achieve a high degree of robustness. Each pod, there's one at each corner of the vehicle, contains camera, LiDAR, and radar sensors for complementary information, with two interesting additions different from anyone else: long-wave infrared and microphone sensors. So the long-wave infrared detects heat signatures of people and animals, and the microphone listens for sounds of people. So they are using an AI stack for prediction and planning. Prediction forecasts potential outcomes by other agents like cars, pedestrians, and cyclists that have already been identified and classified by perception. The planner determines the best route for the vehicle to take. So that's the first piece. And then the second piece is a company called notraffic gets boost for AI-based autonomous traffic. Notraffic announced today the completion of a $50 million Series B, that's the second round or third round, depending on venture funding, boosting the company's efforts in developing an end-to-end plug-and-play autonomous traffic management platform. So this technology is completely complementary to autonomous vehicles. Leveraging AI and edge computing to reconfigure signalized city intersections into a fully automated cloud-connected hub and respond accordingly to traffic conditions in real time to reduce travel times, CO emissions, and improve safety. The company cites the pressing need to reduce traffic fatalities, alleviate road congestion that is growing at a 12% rate a year, and reduce CO2 road emissions that account for 29% of U.S. CO2 emissions. They say their solution is effective, practical, and economical. And they're going to use this money, the $50 million, to increase production, R&D, and sales in new markets, including Japan, Italy, Germany, and the UK. Notraffic is solving long-standing urban problems while simultaneously taking critical steps to prepare roads for an era of connected and autonomous vehicles. Technology progress in traffic management has been slow since the first electric traffic light was installed in Cleveland, Ohio in 1914, with most traffic signals still operating on preset timing plans. So that means there's been little change in traffic management technologies in well over 100 years. The company solution can be retrofitted onto existing infrastructure with the first of its kind AI-powered software-defined platform empowering transportation departments and other stakeholders to manage traffic in real time. It offers the first mobility marketplace with access to multiple services for enhanced safety, data analysis, efficiency, and detection. By leveraging a network of smart sensors deployed at signalized intersections, conflict points, and complex roadways, the platform gives traffic authorities and infrastructure operators the ability to fully control and prioritize traffic flow. The company is currently deployed at numerous locations in North America, including California, Texas, Pennsylvania, Colorado, and Georgia, serving millions of drivers a day. So what does all this mean? And that's what we focus on here. This means fully autonomous driving is coming soon. I have been saying very consistently that robo-taxis will begin to appear in many places by 2025. These two events support strongly what I said, and even the people involved in these industries underestimate the capability of AI and its exponential improvement. So thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share the videos. That really helps us with the algorithm. And also click the link below to get your free AI resource. The resource is free and everything in the resource is free. And if you get the resource, you will become eligible to participate in my beta course, the AI Safe Career Pivot, which will help you pivot your career to something AI safe. All you drivers out there, take note. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care. Bye.